Hey guys, this is RD Techie, and today we're doing an unboxing of the Immortal IM 1000D from Boat. So Boat is a company that is known for music-based products, including bass-heavy headsets, AirPod rivals with their truly wireless earphones, and I own the AirDopes, and I've done an unboxing and overview of it in the channel itself. I'll link it somewhere in the description or even as a card if you want to go check it out. But this is the first time, I think this series is the first time they've ventured into gaming audio. And I went for the highest available one they have right now, which is the 1000D, which includes Dolby Atmos compatibility. So I'm keen to check out. This is an overview and setup and unboxing of the headset. So let's start off by getting it open, right? So again, I'm doing a double view thing, double camera thing for the first time. So I keep trying to do this and I keep not liking how it turns out, but I keep trying because I'm persistent and I'm stubborn. So we're gonna keep doing this, and let me know what you guys think. The camera is just a basic webcam, so the quality is not gonna be that great, but it's only for the unboxing. There you go, the seal is unbroken, we love that. And I'm gonna just cut that in, perfect. So this was actually a lot more challenging than it needed to be to get this product, because Amazon kept returning it even though it got to the closest point, the courier point, the pickup point, but they would not deliver. Now, I don't know if there's something to do with COVID. They didn't let me know. They kept saying item got damaged in the way, so can't deliver. So I decided to order it to my brother's address, and I was able to get it. So for some reason, not really understanding why, I had to jump through a lot of hoops to get this one, but okay, this is right in there. Yeah, okay, there you go. So that's an empty box. This is the headset, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna give you guys a quick run through of the box and the features it lists. It's got 50mm drivers, which is always great. Breathing LEDs, I don't think they're customizable. We'll check it out. Easy audio mic, and the mic is removable, which is really cool. I love that. It's got remote control audio mic LEDs. I think it's just a switch on and off for the LED, but we'll find out. It's got comfort. It's got a passive mic as well as the detachable boom. It's got cozy earmuffs, which everyone claims, but you know, that's not whatever. Denoising mic, we'll see how that goes. Braided cable. That's always good to have. And it's only for PC because it's a USB headphones. Now, you could probably use this on a Xbox or PS4 as well, but PS4 has this thing where if you plug in an audio, a USB headset, and you're capturing, in my case with Elgato, you won't get the audio to the Elgato because the audio headset would monopolize it. Now, I don't know if that's something that fixed in the new PS5, but I know PS4 did it, and it was annoying. So I'm just gonna remove the box, and this, the wire. The cable is pretty... Okay. That was the mic that just went flying. That really isn't a compartment in there. Now, I was trying to dump it out this way. It flew out the other way, I think. So I'm going to leave the box there. So these are the things that I got from the box. The detachable mic, which kind of fell down. Hopefully it didn't do anything. The top of the box, I can leave that. The 1-year warranty card. A manual, which we'll completely ignore because it's a manual. What are you going to do with a manual? And then you have the I am a boat head sticker. I'm gonna actually hold it up to this one. I don't know if it's focusing. Let's find out. It's not focusing, but it says I am a boat head. Hashtag I'm a boat head sticker. So if you want to do that, you can. You can rep the brand if you'd like. But that is basically what's in there. This is the headphone. I gotta say it looks pretty premium. This is actually metal. It's not plastic. It's metal, but it's not heavy. So it's pretty cool in that way. The ear cups, I have to say, don't look that big. And I'm concerned about that because I have big ears, as you can see, you know. The one on your background, that is a Red Gear Cosmo, I believe that's the name. Love that headphone. I've had it at the longest, I believe, of all headphones, through the Razors, through the HP wireless and everything. And it has massive ear cups. So I'm going to do a real quick size comparison here. So I'm going to make sure you guys can see both correctly. So that's Red Gear. That's Boat. So the ear cup size difference is quite big in terms of the width as well as the diameter, it feels like. Definitely massive, but we're gonna try it out. That's the most important thing of a headset is comfort. The first thing you want in a headphone is the fact that it doesn't hurt you when you're wearing it. Everything else are details, but I'll continue. I'll put the headset on and we'll test it in a second. But first, here's the light part, and that's gonna be the one that's breathing. Again, same thing here. You have a unremovable braided cable. The braid is good, but I mean, when you have tables and edges, the braid can work out or not work out. And you have the remote control, which has the light, mute, and cut off sound. Interesting. I've never had that button. And then you have the volume rocker up and down on the side of the thing. So that's great. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on. I love this wired design that they have. It looks very, I don't know, cyberpunky. The flex is good, so I don't think it'll have an issue. Look at that. So it's all metal. Like this whole thing is metal. This is plastic. Again, this is also plastic. So this bar, which I assume goes the entire way, obviously, is metal. So you can see that, we can feel it. It's good because it feels solid. The build quality is amazing. It looks great. I'm going to plug in the mic, and the mic goes right in there. That's not it. Nope, that's the other way around, isn't it? Yep. Yes, now it's the mic. All right, so the mic goes in. It's detachable. It has a passive mic as well, so if you don't want to use the boom mic, that's great. It doesn't have any sort of foam or dead cat or anything on it, so I don't know how that's going to be with your pop sounds, but we're going to find all that out. So I'm going to move back a little bit. All right, so okay. Wow. Yeah, I got to say that's really nice. But compare the weight. This is like half of what this weighs, at least. More than, I think, half. I mean, less than half, sorry. But so when you put it on, yeah, it doesn't have as much of a cushion as that one. And yeah, the ear cups aren't bigger, but the inside does enough. I mean, I'm not feeling any discomfort, you know? So that's pretty cool. It looks a little wonky because my head is massive. So if you have a normal head, you'll be fine. But it's really, honestly, quite cool. It's very comfortable. The noise cancellation is very nice, which I can't say for that because it bleeds through like anything. Like, I know the noise cancellation is pretty good because even my voice, and I am loud, you guys know this, is not coming through so much as it did with the other one. So it feels like I'm in a vacuum a little bit. But very cool. The cable length, I'm just going to quickly untangle this. I think it's about 1.5 to 2 meters, but we'll find out very quickly. Yeah, this is 1.5. I think this is 1.5. I don't think this is 2. Yeah, but that's enough for me. Mine is like right there. As long as it's not the kind of cable that gets tangled, which braided usually isn't. This type is, because it has that plastic. It's very durable, but it kind of gets tangled all up like that, which I don't think is going to be a problem with the braided cable. But let's boot up my computer and see how we set up this thing and everything that goes with it, including a sound test. And now we're on my PC. I'm wearing the headset. I've got it all plugged in. I haven't set it up, so I thought I'll walk you guys through it. Simple enough. The manual has a code you can scan to get to this link. The problem is, if you're using on a computer, you may not have access to a webcam that has something that you could scan and so on and so forth, or you may not want to connect your mobile, to your computer. So what I'll do is I'll leave this link in the description. All you got to do is scroll down here and select the model. Mine is this one, so I downloaded the driver already. I actually got the installer running. So what I'm gonna do now is just minimize that because I don't need it. They do ask you to have your headphones plugged in while you install, so make sure you do that. And you install, it's doing the software thing. I'm just gonna let it do its thing. You can see the colors cycle through. I don't think there's any control over it other than just a simple case of just the colors are going to cycle through. You can switch the light on or off, but that's it. Okay, yes, we are going to restart my computer. So now we're back and it's finished the install and it's finished everything. I'm going to go ahead and see if it's there. There, you can see it. It's got the Boat plugin. So I'm going to open it, and to activate the suite, please make sure the speaker icon is checked. So this is basically what you're gonna have to use to get the 7.1, other than if you're not using Dolby Atmos. I don't know if you can use both. We'll be trying to do that, so we'll find out. To activate the speaker, please make sure the speaker icon has been checked. To access the function menu, please right-click the device icon. This will provide you with additional features. Yep. So you want to come here and tick this so you know what the sound is. You have the volume here. If I put that to 0 dB, that might be pretty high volume. I think I'm going to put it max out here because I can adjust it here if need be. So that's your speakers, the Boat IM. So let's see how loud this is. That's pretty loud. Not super loud considering this is 100% across the board, but it's pretty loud. So I'm going to go here and see UI transparency. That's cool. You can toggle that. Don't show shot or miss. Okay, that's fine. We're going to now go ahead and see what else we have here. We have hi-fi manual. Manual seems to be like you get the equalizer, so I don't know if it's going to do anything. Plus, there's a profile that is the same. Okay. We got high. I don't know what it's doing. It's really legitimately not the best piece of software I've used about this. So the eye doesn't really do anything either. Okay, now what we're gonna do is do a sound test, a mic test. What I'm going to do first is you won't hear the audio from this mic, you're gonna hear from this one. So I'll do two types of tests. I'll do one with just my PC running, and that's the only ambient noise. And the second test I'll do is with a fan on, an overhead fan. That's what I'll always be using. So that's a good idea for me to know and for you guys to know how it handles with noise cancellation. So let's start with the first test with just the PC running. Hey guys, so this is the sound that you'll get with just the PC running, and this is also going to have some popping sounds, and we'll see how it handles that in the mic test. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Hey guys, this is the mic test with the fan running. I don't know how well the noise detection and noise cancellation works. We'll find out. I'm gonna throw some popping sounds in there just to see how this works without a pop filter. Let me know what you guys think in the comments with the fan on. So this was with the fan on and the PC, while the other was just with the PC. All right. You heard the microphone with ambient noise and with an extra loud ambient noise of the overhead fan. So you guys can be the judge of that. As for the volume as well, on the levels, it doesn't look like the mics are too loud or the mic is too loud. Remember, it has two mics. So once you unplug this one, you have a passive mic as well. So it has that ability, but I'm using the boom arm mic, which is what I'm going to be using most of the time. And it's very nice. The sound stage, I haven't tested with Dolby. This is the inbuilt mic without the fan on, so I don't know if you guys are picking up any ambient sound from the PC, but this is just the PC's on. There's no other ambient noise coming in my room, and this is the inbuilt mic. Hey guys, so this is the inbuilt mic with the fan on. I've removed the boom arm. It is just the inbuilt mic and with the fan on. So to sum it up, I'm gonna say that for me, this headset is a worthy purchase. It is about 2,500 rupees. It's what I paid, and that comes up about to, I want to say, $35 if you're looking at roundabouts. So for me, that is well worth it. It's a USB only headset, so you're not going to be able to use it on your mobile phones unless you have an OTG. I haven't tried that, so please check that and let me know. I don't have an OTG connector, and I don't use bulky headsets with my phone, so I never need one. So you may be able to access it on your phone with OTG, but it doesn't have a 3.5mm cable. It has a mic that you can input that there, which is pretty sweet. The mic quality, you guys heard that. You guys can be the judge of that. For me, the soundstage is pretty good. It is not the best soundstage I've felt. I think Razer still wins out there, that Razer Kraken X, but that's double almost the price of what I paid for this one, so you can't really compare it. Comfort wise, it is light. It is as light as that Razer Ultralight, and it has the same sort of suction on your ears. So if you have big ears like mine, don't worry about it. It's not gonna hurt you. It's so soft that it kind of molds around your ear. The thing I do want you guys to remember is that when it gets hot, it may get a little spicy in there. You may start to sweat, as I have by doing just this video. I had to take my fan off, but still the material is going to be a little painful during summers. So if it's something like that, if you live in a very humid place, expect that to be a problem. The good thing, I don't think this material itself, this whatever you want to call it, this pleather material, is going to have any sort of flakiness come off of it. It feels very plush, and the whole headphones, for that matter, feels very plush and luxurious. So it definitely gets my approval, but don't buy it for Dolby Atmos. I'll keep trying troubleshooting, and I'll see if I can get it to work. And if I can, I will post in the comments, but don't buy the headset for the Dolby Atmos. There is a smaller model, cheaper model without Dolby Atmos with a different kind of design, which is what I was initially going for. But that's up to you guys to see if you want to take a chance on that. This, I can confirm, works great, has a very nice soundstage, and let me know if you guys want a review of it, and then I will decide and go for it. But yeah, it's a very affordable entry-level gaming headset, and if Dolby works, that's great, but even without it, the spatial sound is pretty good. So huge props to the Boat team, because like I said, this is a team that is involved with bass heavy, music based headphones. This is the first real venture into the gaming scene, and you know, it's great to see them here, because I really did like the crispness that they brought, and I was really expecting a muddied sound. The red gear that I showed before, it does have a muddied sound. This is very crisp, clear. You can hear the crackle of the leaves under your feet even. I'm not exaggerating. Definitely very well done with the soundstage when it comes to the Boat Immortal IM 1000D headset. So let me know what you guys thought. If you're buying this, I'll put the link in the description for the Amazon link, as well as Boat. The Amazon link is an affiliate link. And yeah, that's it for me. This has been an amazing, fun little product. It was challenging to get it because Amazon was just kept canceling it no matter what. I love the red cable. Wish it was blue, but we're gonna just have to leave it for that. Thank you guys so much for watching and all the support on YouTube. We've been really pushing hard in the last year and this year, and we'll be continuing to do that. So if you're interested in more tech reviews, unboxing, gameplay, all sorts of things, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.